Hello, you're welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Telegram without revealing your personal phone number. So I've actually seen a lot of videos talking about this topic here on YouTube, and I decided to make this video in order to show you guys the legal way and safe way to actually do this without breaking any of the Telegram rules, which is actually going to keep your privacy safe. Now let's say you value your privacy. This video might be really for you. So looking right here on the screen is my Telegram app. So let's say you are trying to create a Telegram account. You need to keep in mind that you need to input your country, and also you need to input a phone number. But here's the good news: it does not have to be your real or primary phone number. There are actually some safe and legitimate alternative that you can actually follow in order to create a Telegram account. So here is what you need to know. The first way you can actually do this is to use a privacy focused eSIM. You can actually use any privacy focused eSIM service like Eralo, Nomad, and other reputable providers, which allows you to buy a temporal or international eSIM for verification. You just need to install any of the eSIM app of your choice. Go to your Play Store, install any of the eSIM app of your choice, which is the cheapest plan. Some actually start at under $5. So activate the eSIM to receive a temporal phone number, then enter the phone number in your Telegram, and you're going to receive a verification code instantly, which is actually going to allow you to create a Telegram account. This is actually going to keep your personal information completely hidden. So another way you can actually do this is by using a secondary or spare SIM card. So let's say you have another SIM card. Let's say you have a prepaid SIM card, or let's say you have a travel SIM, or let's say you have even an old phone number you no longer use. As long as it can receive SMS, Telegram will accept it. So this is one of the simplest and most secure method, by using your prepared eSIM, your travel eSIM, or an old number that you no longer use. Another way you can actually do this is by using let's say you have the account logged in on your mobile phone and you want to log into that same account on your PC. You can actually scan the code on your PC and you'll be able to log into your PC without using any phone number to create an account on your PC. So that is another method that can actually work out. That is if you already have a Telegram account already. So that is another method you can actually use. No phone number is going to be typed and no SMS or exposure, nothing at all. So another thing you need to take in mind while doing any of this is to avoid free fake numbers. Avoid free fake numbers apps. They are insecure, unreliable, and often used by many people at the same time. So just avoid it. Your account can get locked or even compromised instantly. So you need to avoid free fake numbers app. Stick to legitimate and private options only, just as I've mentioned on this video. So I'm going to give you a bonus tip. So if you go to your Telegram app like this, click on the three line icon at the top right corner, then go ahead and click on settings. Then right here, you need to scroll and click on privacy and security. When you do that, look in here, you can see where it says phone number. If you click on that, you need to switch it to nobody. When it is at nobody like this, people won't be able to see your Telegram phone number. So this is actually going to help you to be more private on Telegram and hide your phone number from people on Telegram. So this is what you need to know about creating the Telegram account without using your phone number. Hope you found this video helpful. Now for more tips and tutorials like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.